Ever stared at your phone, heart pounding, wondering where your money went? Maybe you tried to withdraw funds, closed your account, or just encountered a frustrating glitch with M1 Finance, and now you're stuck, asking yourself, how do I get my money back? You're not alone. The world of online investing, while powerful, can sometimes feel like navigating a maze, especially when your hard-earned cash is on the line. Let's face it, financial platforms aren't always crystal clear. Terms and conditions can be a labyrinth, and customer support can sometimes feel like talking to a brick wall. So, if you're experiencing the gnawing anxiety of missing funds, I get it. We're going to break down the steps you need to take to reclaim your money from M1 Finance, cutting through the jargon and giving you actionable advice. First, let's understand the common reasons why you might be facing this problem. Maybe you initiated a withdrawal, but it's taking longer than expected. Perhaps you've closed your account and are waiting for the final distribution. Or, it could be a technical issue, a system error, or even a misunderstanding of M1 Finance's policies. Before we dive into the specific steps, it's crucial to acknowledge the emotional roller coaster this situation can trigger. Money is tied to security, to our future plans, and when it's seemingly vanished, it's natural to feel stressed, frustrated, or even a little panicked. Take a deep breath. You're taking the right step by seeking information. Now, let's get down to business. Step 1. Document everything. This is your golden rule. Before you do anything else, gather all the relevant information. Take screenshots of your account activity, including withdrawal requests, transaction histories, and any error messages you've received. Note down the dates and times of your actions. If you've communicated with M1 Finance support, save those emails or chat logs. Why is this so important? Because documentation provides proof. It creates a paper trail that you can use to support your claim. In the event of a dispute, this evidence will be invaluable. Step 2. Check your account activity and withdrawal status. Log into your M1 Finance account and thoroughly review your transaction history. Look for any pending withdrawals or transfers. Pay close attention to the dates and amounts. M1 Finance typically provides an estimated time frame for withdrawals. If that time frame has passed, you have a solid reason to investigate further. If you've closed your account, check for any notifications regarding the final distribution. M1 Finance will usually provide an estimated time frame for this process as well. Understand that if you have fractional shares, these must be sold before your cash can be distributed, adding time to the process. Step 3. Contact M1 Finance customer support. This is where things get a little more direct. M1 Finance offers various customer support channels, including email, phone, and live chat. Start with the method you find most convenient. When you contact them, be clear and concise. Provide them with your account details and the documentation you've gathered. Explain the situation calmly and professionally. Avoid accusatory language. Instead, focus on the facts. Ask specific questions, such as, what is the current status of my withdrawal/account closure? Is there a technical issue affecting my account? What are the next steps I need to take to resolve this issue? What is the estimated time frame for resolution? Take notes during your conversation. If you're on the phone, ask for the representative's name and a reference number. If you're using email or chat, save the transcript. If you're not satisfied with the initial response, don't hesitate to escalate the issue. Ask to speak to a supervisor or request a written explanation of the problem and the proposed solution. Step 4. Understand M1 Finance's policies. Familiarize yourself with M1 Finance's terms and conditions, specifically regarding withdrawals, account closures, and dispute resolution. This information can be found on their website. Understanding their policies will help you determine if they've acted in accordance with their own rules. Pay close attention to the following: withdrawal processing times, account closure procedures, fee structures, dispute resolution processes. Step 5. Consider external resources. If you've exhausted all avenues with M1 Finance and still haven't received your money, you may need to explore external resources. File a complaint with the Better Business Bureau, BBB. The BBB can help mediate disputes between consumers and businesses. Contact the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. If you believe M1 Finance has violated securities laws, you can file a complaint with the SEC. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or attorney. They can provide you with legal advice and help you navigate the process of recovering your funds. Social media. Sometimes, using social media to voice your concerns can expedite a resolution. Be professional, but firm. Many companies monitor social media and will respond to public complaints. Step 6. Be patient and persistent. Recovering your money can take time, especially if there are technical issues or complex disputes involved. Be prepared to follow up regularly and maintain a record of all your communications. Don't give up. Persistence is key. By staying organized, documenting everything, and advocating for yourself, you increase your chances of a successful resolution. Now, let's talk about some common pitfalls to avoid. First, don't panic and make rash decisions. Avoid canceling other financial obligations without fully understanding the situation. Second, don't rely solely on hearsay or unverified information. Stick to official channels and documented evidence. Third, don't be afraid to ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification, and do not be afraid to ask for the next step. Also, it is important to understand the difference between M1 Finance's different products. M1 Invest, M1 Spend, and M1 Borrow all have different rules and regulations. If you are having issues with one product, make sure you are looking at the rules for that specific product. Finally, remember that you have rights as a consumer. Don't let anyone intimidate you or pressure you into accepting an unsatisfactory resolution. You have the right to demand clear explanations, timely responses, and fair treatment. In the digital age, financial platforms are constantly evolving. Staying informed and proactive is essential. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of recovering your money and regaining peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.